Hello makers, in this video I'm gonna show you a simple tone player using Microbit microcontroller. So I've connected my mini speaker to my Microbit boards here on its audio jack like this with alligator clips. The black wire goes to ground and the red wire goes to P0 pin on Microbit. Okay. That's a simple connection. For more information and full tutorial, you can check the link on my description below. Okay, let's turn it on. I'm using micro USB 5V here. Nice. It starts and play the tone. So I will control the playlist or play the tone with the button. Let's press B button here to play the first list of tones. Number 1. Press again to play second tone. Nice. Let's try again. Press B button. Okay, and if we press A button, it will play the previous tone like this, second. So that's it, a simple tone player using Microbit microcontroller and also a mini speaker. For full tutorial, you can check the link on description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and see you on the next simple project by Simply Innovation. Bye!